Good morning children. I hope class 9th children are watching this video. As last day we had solved few questions from exercise 1F, and today what I felt that from previous exercise also 1D also you might be having problem. Today I had to start new topic, that exponents, but I thought few questions are left in previous exercise 1D. So, that those questions I will solve. Those are very simple, I think you might have completed also. So, that will be revision for you, and few questions again I have taken from 1F. So, let us start. Here you have exercise 1D, question number 1. You need to add this. Here you see 2 root 3 minus 5 root 2, unlike term you have, and with this again you need to add this. So, here you have root 3. So, with this term it can be added, and 5 root 2 what you have, with 2 root 2 addition or subtraction should be made. Here you see how we will simplify. 2 root 3 minus 5 root 2 plus, see, because we have addition, that is why plus we have written, and directly we are writing down this. If we would have minus over here, then sign would have changed, root 3 plus 2 root 2. Now, you see similar terms you have 2 root 3 and root 3. So, that can be simplified. 2 root 3 plus root 3 is equal to 3 root 3, minus 5 root 2 plus 2 root 2. It means minus 5 and plus 2 you have. So, this will be minus 3 root 2. Now, 3 can be taken out common, and it will be written root 3 minus root 2. Now, you see further it cannot be simplified, because root 3 and root 2 are unlike term, they cannot be added or subtracted. Or if you know the values of approx value, that can be put, and then that can be done. Suppose root 2 is equal to 1.414 and root 3 is equal to 1.732, that can be put, that is approx value, and that can be simplified. But up to here, like this only, simplification is required to be done. Next question you see, 2 by 3 root 7 minus 1 by 2 root 7 plus 6 root 11, and this term you need to add. So, again the same thing we will do, 2 by 3 root 7 minus 1 by 2 root 2 plus 6 root 11 plus 1 by 3 root 7 plus 3 by 2 root 2 minus root under 11. What we need to do, again you see similar term, so you write together. Two by 3 root 7, you arrange in proper way, similar terms you keep together. So, this will be 1 by 3 root 7 plus 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 plus 6 root 11 minus root 11. Now, here you see this term you add, because these are similar terms. So, 3, it will be 2 root 7 plus root 7 plus, here you see LCM you will have 2, and this will be 3 root 2 minus root 2, and plus 6 root 11 minus root 11, 5 root 11. Now, 2 root 7 plus root 7 will be 3 root 7 divided by 3, and this will be 3 root 2 minus root 2 means 2 root 2 by 2 plus 5 root 11. This will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, and you will be left with root 7 plus root 2 plus 5 root 11, and this will be your answer. In the same way, next question you see, you need to multiply these numbers. Here you see 3 root 5 into 2 root 5. What you need to do, the number which is with root, under root, square root, that is required to be multiplied separately, and these numbers are required to be multiplied separately. So, 3 into 2, that will be 3 2 ja 6 into root 5 into root 5 is equal to 5. Just now I made you understand, or simply you can write with under root 5 into 5. So, root 5 into root 5 you know, that is 5. So, 6 5 ja 30. This will be your answer. Here you see 3 root under 28 into 2 root under 7. Again 3 into 2, 3 2 ja 6, and root under 28 into 7. 3 2 ja 6, root under 28 you factorize, what you will get? 7 4 ja 28. So, 7 into 4 into 7. You see 7 and 7 one pair is forming. So, can be taken out 7 and root 4 is equal to 2. Now, you see you multiply this 6 7 ja 42 and 42 2 ja 84, and this will be your answer. Next question you see division you have. First you have 16 root 6 divided by 4 root 2. Again just now I told you how it to be done. 16 by 4 you write separately, and under root 6 by 2 can be written. So, this will be 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, and 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. So, this will be 4 under root 3, and this will be your answer. Second you see 12 root 15 divided by 4 root 3. So, this will be 12 by 4 into root under 15 by 3. So, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So, what you are left with? 3 under 3 into root 5 or 3 root 5. This will be your answer. Next you see simplification is there, 3 minus root 11 and 3 plus root 11. See what you need to do, first of all, in basic way, suppose no formula you are applying, simply you need to multiply this. So, if you are multiplying in very simple way, how will you multiply this? You see, with this 3, these both the terms are required to be multiplied. So, 3 into 3 plus root 11, then with minus 11 the same both terms are required to be multiplied. So, minus root under 11 into 3 plus root under 11. Now, you see 3 3 ja 9, 3 into root 11 plus 3 root under 11. Again minus root under 11 into 3 will be minus 3 root 11, and root 11 into root 11 will be 11. Minus root 11 into plus root 11 is equal to minus 11. Now, you see 3 root 11 and 3 root 11 got cancelled, and you are left with 9 minus 11, it means minus 2. This will be your answer. In very simple way, without using any formula, if you are multiplying in this way, these are required to be multiplied. But in just you see this can be put in formula. Here you have a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, it can be written as 3 minus root 11 into 3 plus root 11 will be 3 square minus root under 11 square. So, 3 square is equal to 9 minus root 11 square is equal to 11. So, you will get minus 2. This is your answer. So, either you simplify in this way, or in easier way, if you want to put formula or you want to use formula, formula can be used and can be simplified. Here you see the same thing is there again. If you are multiplying in very simple way, minus 3 into these terms, minus 3 minus root 5 plus root 5 into minus 3 minus root 5. If you are multiplying, what you will get? Minus 3 into minus 3, 3 3 is 9, minus into minus is equal to plus. So, 9 minus into minus again plus, and 3 into root 5, 3 root 5. Here you see plus root 5 into minus 3, this will be minus 3 root 5, and plus root 5 into minus root 5 will be minus 5. Now, you see 3 root 5 and minus 3 root 5 got cancelled, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and this will be your answer. But if you are putting in formula, how will you write? A plus b into a minus b, means a square minus b square, a square minus b square means root 5 square. So, this is 9 minus 5 and this is 4. So, it will be easier if you are putting formula. Next question, you see, you need to simplify this. So, you have 3 plus root 3 and you need to multiply with 2 plus root 2 whole square. So, a plus b whole square it is. So, put in formula. So, a plus b whole square, you know, a square plus 2ab plus b square, or simply as I made you understand, you can multiply without using formula, 2 plus root 2 and 2 plus root 2. If you are using formula, this formula will be applied, or directly 2 into these terms plus root 2 into these terms. So, use formula. This will be a square means 2 square plus 2ab, 2 into root b, sorry 2 into root 2 plus b square means root 2 square. So, this will be 3 plus root 3, and here you will have 2 to the 4 and here 2 to the 4 root 2 plus root 2 square is equal to 2. So, this will be 3 plus root 3 and here you will have 6 plus 4 root 2. Now, you multiply this 3 into these both terms, 3 6 ja 18, 3 4 ja 12, root 2, root 3 into 6, 6 root 3, root 3 into root 2, 2 3 ja 6. So, plus under root 6, and this 4 you have 4 under root 6. Now, you see similar terms you have 18, 12 root 2, 6 root 3 and 4 root 6, no similar terms you have. So, what can be written? This will be answer, or 18, 12, 6, 4, among these you can take out common and you can write the answer. So, 2 can be taken out common and can be written, otherwise this will be your answer. So, in this way this is required to be simplified. Next question you have, on her birthday Reema distributed chocolates in an orphanage. The total number of chocolates she distributed is given by 5 plus root 11 and 5 minus root 11. Find the number of chocolates distributed by her. Second question is so easy, that is why I have not written. First question only I have written of this. Find the number of chocolates distributed by her. Total number of chocolates will be what? The product of these two numbers. So, you will write answer total number of chocolates will be 5 root 11, 5 plus root 11 into 5 minus root 11. Again you see, simply you can multiply both the terms as I have said, or you can put formula a plus b into a minus b. So, this will be a square minus b square. So, this will be 25 minus 11. You subtract this, what you will get? 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and this will be your answer. So, find the number of chocolates distributed by her. 14 chocolates distributed by her, that will be your answer. Next you see simplification again, 3 root 45, root under 125, root under 200 and root under 50. So, easy it is. Again what you need to do, root under 45 you factorize that. So, 45 if you are factorizing, what you will get? 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15 and 3 5 ja 15. It means 3 into 5 minus 125 you factorize, what you will get? 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 15 and 5 5 ja 15. It can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 plus 200 can be written as 200, 5 4 ja 20, 5 0 ja 0, 5 8 ja 40 and 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 8. So, it can be written as 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 and minus 50 you have. So, this can be written as root under 50 you have, 5 10 ja 50 and 5 2 ja 10. So, it can be written as 5 into 5 into 2. Now, you see here pair you have of 3, here you have a 5, here you have 5 and 2 and here you have 5. So, this can be written as 3 into this 3 into root 5, this term minus 5 root 5, this term plus 5 into 2, 5 2 ja 10 you can write directly. So, 10 root under 2, this 2 is left and minus 5 root 2. Now, you see here you have 10 root 2, that will be in plus. Here you see 3 3 ja 9 root 5 and minus 5 root 5. Here you see this will be 9 root 5, 9 root 5 minus 5 root 5 is equal to 4 root 5 plus 5 root 2. This will be your answer. Next question you see 2 root 30 by root 6 minus 3 root under 40 divided by root under 28 plus root under 55 by root under 99. Same thing is required to be done over here also. 30 is required to be factorized. So, this will be 5 into 2 into 3, 5 2 ja 10, 10 3 ja 30 divided by 2 into root under 6, it means 2 into 3 minus 3 into, this can be again factorized for 140. So, this will be 7 into 5, 7 into 2 into 5 into 2. So, here you see 7 2 ja 14 and 14 into 5 2 ja 10, 14 into 10 is equal to 140 divided by root under 28 can be written as 7 into 2 into 2. 7 into 4 28 plus 55 can be written as 11 into 5 and this can be written as 11 into 9 or 3 into 3. Now, you see this 2 you do not have. Here you see 2 into together it can be written 5 into 2 into 3 divided by 2 into 3 minus 3 into 7 into 2 into 5 into 2 divided by 7 into 2 into 2 plus root under 11 into 5 divided by 11 into 3 into 3. Now, whatever can be cancelled, you cancel this, 3 and 3 got cancelled, 2 and 2 got cancelled, 2 root 5 you got over here. Then 7 and 7 got cancelled, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. So, you are left with minus 3 root 5. Next you have 11 and 11 got cancelled and this 3 can be taken out. So, this will be plus 1 by 3 root 5. If you are simplifying this, what you will write? 3 will be LCM. So, 3 to just 6 root 5 minus 3 3 is 9 root 5 and plus root 5. Now, here you see 6 root 5 minus 9 root 5 and plus 7 plus root 5. 6 root 5 and root 5 will be 7 root 5. So, this can be written as minus 9 root 5 plus 7 root 5 divided by 3 and this will be minus 2 root 5 divided by 3 and this will be your answer. Next you see from exercise 1F I have taken question 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. You need to find out the value of a and b. Similar questions already in last video also it was made, but again you see what you need to do. This term is required to be factorized. So, 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus. So, your rationalizing factor, you need to rationalize this. Your rationalizing factor is 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by 7 minus 4 root 3. Here you see 5 into 7 35, 5 into 4 20 and root 3, 2 root 3 into 7 is equal to 14 root 3, 2 root 3 into 4 root 3 if we will multiply, plus into minus, that will be minus 2 4 ja 8 and root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. So, 4 into 3 8 into 3 is equal to 24 and divided by this is a plus b into a minus b. So, it will be a square minus 4 root 3 whole square. Now, you see 35 minus 24 is equal to 11, minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3 is equal to minus 6 root 3 and divided by, here you have 7 square is equal to 49 minus 4 square is equal to 16 and root 3 square is equal to 3. 14 3 ja 16 3 ja 48. So, this will be 11 minus 6 root 3 divided by 1 and finally, you got 11 minus 6 root 3. Now, if this term you are rationalizing or simplifying, you are getting 11 minus 6 root 3. So, if this term is equal to 11 minus 6 root 3, this must be equal to a plus b root 3. So, a plus b root 3 will be equal to 11 minus 6 root. Here you see a and 11, you need to compare this. So, a will be equal to 11, b root 3 will be equal to minus 6 root 3, b root 3 will be minus 6 root 3. So, b will be what? Minus 6 root 3 divided by root 3, this will be cancelled. So, b will be minus 6. So, finally, what you got? Finally, you got a is equal to 11 and b is equal to minus 6, and this will be your answer. So, in this way, this type of question already it was solved before also, this type of solved questions also was done, and even a few questions I have taken from exercise also, and this was done. I hope you have understood. Next question you see, simplify 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5 divided by 4 plus root 5. If this type of questions are there, last day also I had solved. Separately you rationalize all the term and then you simplify. Here you see 4 plus root 5 divided by 4 minus root 5. Rationalizing factor of 4 minus root 5 is equal to 4 plus root 5 and divided by 4 plus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5 divided by 4 plus root 5. Rationalizing factor of 4 plus root 5 is 4 minus root 5 divided by 4 minus root 5. Here you see, this is a plus b into a plus b formula you can use, or as I told, separately you can multiply and can be written. So, this will be 4 plus root 5 whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b, and that will be 4 square minus root 5 square, plus here you see a minus b into a minus b. So, 4 minus root 5 whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b. So, this will be a square minus b square. Now, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square, this you have written, divided by a square means 4 4 ja 16 minus root 5 square is equal to 5 plus here you see 4 square minus 2 into 4 into root 5 and plus root 5 square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is 16 minus 5. Now, you see this is 4 4 ja 16 plus 2 4 ja 8 root 5 plus root 5 square means 5 and divided by 16 minus 5 is equal to 11 plus you have 4 square is equal to 16 minus 8 root 5 and plus root 5 square is equal to 5 divided by 11. Next you see, here you have 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. Here you have 16 plus 5 is equal to 21 and LCM you have 11. So, if you are adding these both terms, you will get LCM. LCM you will get 11 and you have 16 plus 5 is equal to 21 plus 8 root 5. 21 plus 8 root 5. And here you will have, here you see this will be again minus 8 root 5 and plus 21. So, 8 root 5 and 8 root 5 got cancelled. 21 plus 21 is equal to 42 divided by 11. You write in improper, this is an improper fraction, you write in mixed fraction and that will be your answer. Next you see, given root 2 is equal to 1.414 and root 6 is equal to 2.449, find the value of this, correct to 3 places of decimal. Last day itself it was told, if initially if you are putting the value, it is very difficult to solve or simplify, but if you are rationalizing this term and then you are putting the value, easily that can be found out. So, try to rationalize this. You have term 1 by root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. So, here you see what is needed to be done. Here you see this can be written as 1 by root 3 minus, if minus you are taking out common from this, what you will get, root 2 plus 1. So, now you see 1 by root 3 minus this term you have got. So, rationalizing factor of this term will be root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus root 2 plus 1. Now, you see you need to multiply by 1, you will get root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b. So, a square minus b square. So, root 3 square minus root 2 plus 1 whole square. So, you will get this root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by root 3 square is equal to 3 minus, here you see this can be written as a plus b whole square. It means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, this will be root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by 3 minus root 2 square is equal to 2 plus 2 root 2 and plus 1, and then you will have root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by, here you see 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, 3 minus 3, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and minus into plus will be minus 2 root 2. So, what you will get? You will get root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by 3 and 3 got cancelled. So, you are left with minus 2 root 2. Root 2 is irrational number, it is required to be rationalized. So, with root 2 it is needed to be multiplied. So, here you see root 2 into root 3, this will be root 6 plus root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 and plus root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 and minus into minus 2, it will be minus 4. Now, you put the value, root 6 is equal to 2.449 plus 2 plus 1.414 divided by 4. What you will get? This is minus 4. What you will get? 4 and 9, 13, 1 and 4, 5 and 1, 6, and then 4 and 4 is equal to 8, and decimal you have 1 and 2, 3 and 3 and 2, 5 divided by minus 4. It means minus 5.863 divided by 4. You divide this number, what you will get? 4 1 ja 4 with minus sign, 4 1 ja 4, decimal 18 you have, 4 4 ja 16, then 2 26 it became, 4 6 ja 24, 23 it became 4 5 ja 20, 3 you have. So, again that will become 30. So, 4 7 ja 28. So, what can be done? You round off this and can be written minus 1.46 and 6, and this will be your answer. So, I hope this you understood, and I do not think any other questions are left. So, rest all the questions I have solved. Those I felt you might be having some problem. I do not think now any problem is there. So, that next day we can start our next topic, that is exponents, but one request will be there, again and again I am telling you, each and every question till you are not solving yourself, it is very difficult to understand. So, try to solve by yourself, do not be dependent on this video or your solved examples or some other solutions if you are getting. You try to solve by yourself. So, next day we will discuss next topic. Till then, thank you.